Sorry, I got cut off. But the last thing I wanted you to know is, or leave knowing, is I want you to know who you are. You know, what makes you who you are? What do you love? What inspires you? And the type of person that you are, or the type of person you want to be. And hopefully you see yourself successfully and in the future doing great things. And if not, that's okay, because we're going to find something that, makes you the person that you are, and something that you believe in. So that's kind of my goals for this classroom and for this year, and just kind of all of us knowing that we're going to start fresh. We all know that last year the ending of the year was a difficult year, and we're going to get through this. And we may be all on different levels or different, places, but that's okay. Okay. And I want you knowing that this year is a clean year and we're going to start fresh. Expectations, I'm going to kind of quickly go through this. Yes, you may use the bathroom. I'm not going to say no, hold it. Obviously, don't abuse it. Raise your hand, let me know. If you're going every single day in the class, then we'll have to figure something else out. But yes, you may definitely use the restroom. Yes, you may eat a snack for right now. I don't think I had the problem last year. The year before, I had a lot of people leaving their trash on the floor. It's not making it in the trash can. And then I get bugs. And I am not a happy camper when I have to deal with ants or bugs. So you may have snacks, definitely. Just make sure you throw out your trash when you're done. Water bottle, absolutely. That is totally fine. I know we get thirsty, especially coming back from PE or other things like that. So yes, you may come with a water bottle. And just again, if you come with eating and drinking, everything goes in the trash when you're done, and clean up after yourself. And if you are absent, hopefully at this point, coming to 8th grade, the number one place to check is It's Learning, because to this day I will still have people saying, I was out, what did we do? And I'm gonna say, what did it say on It's Learning? Please, please, please check It's Learning. And then if you still have questions, come to me. Obviously that's fine. But everything will be laid out in It's Learning. All the plans, everything will be there for you. So always, always check if you can. I know things happen. Check It's Learning. Again, same thing for number 6. If you are not here, check It's Learning. If we leave as a group, what am I expected to do? Obviously, kind of where we are with COVID and all that, we'll probably have to line the hall in a single file. For example, if we go to the media center, kind of keep a distance from each other. So I know sometimes we're used to kind of just leaving and all of us go in one place, but we will kind of have to stay in that line. Supplies every day, you will have your Pearson consumable workbook, okay, which we're going to hand out. You're going to want to bring that every day, and that thing is going to stay in your drawstring bag or in your locker, and you're going to bring it home every day. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. It just kind of needs to stay with you at all times, because if we were to ever go virtual, I would want that workbook with you and not stuck here in the locker or something. Okay, so you don't have to come back and get it. So I know it's kind of a pain. I know it's kind of a bigger thing. However, please, please, please bring it home with you, and I'll talk more about that. Come in. There's always going to be how to enter my classroom. There's always going to be a warm up on the board or a task telling you what to do. So kind of just have your materials, your workbook, your binder for that day, whether it's a red binder or a blue binder, your pencils, your pens, your highlighters, okay? And you'll kind of see the task for that day. I already kind of talked about what to do when I need help. When we're sharing and kind of participating in group discussions, I don't necessarily have to require you to raise your hand. I like kind of each other bouncing off ideas. However, at the same time, don't just interrupt someone who's kind of sharing their idea. Let them finish, and then you can interject respectfully. If you don't agree with someone, you definitely may disagree. However, you want to be considerate, you want to be respectful in the way that you do that. And when you're listening, make eye contact. You want to stay present in the classroom. You want to be respectful of the person that's talking, and you slouching or kind of doing whatever, or looking down or working on other assignments is not necessarily respectful in the classroom or to that person who's speaking. So that's kind of some of my expectations. And that's it, guys. I just kind of wanted to go over a few things. I'm going to see you guys more in depth next week. I am so excited to see your guys' faces and look forward to meeting you all. But I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.